guys, I'm back with another video after a year or so. It's Callie. If you do not know me, I currently make YouTube videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle. I've been gone for two big reasons, and that is I've been raising lots of animals, and I'll insert some clips right here. And I've also had some health concerns with my skin and everything, so that's why I haven't been here for a very long time. We are doing a deep cleaning type spring video organization and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, so I'm gonna make a pile of keep and donate. So yeah. So as you guys can tell, this is my keep pile, trash pile, donate pile, school pile, and after it looks quite empty on the bottom, which we can fill it up later. We have all my books that I am keeping, jewelry, miscellaneous. Here, I'm just going to place all my keep in these drawers, and I'm going to place the donate or trash on top. So as you guys can tell, I have made a massive pile of stuff that can be gotten rid of, and yeah, I feel quite accomplished. So over here we have our trash and we have our donate. This pile will be getting bigger by the end of this video. I'm just going to put my makeup in this little container right here and get rid of all of this and put it in its home. So now, as you can tell, this side of the room has pretty much been done, and I'm pretty proud of how it has turned out and how organized it looks now. It was a huge mess before, and I'm very proud of it. So moving over to this little section, I'm just gonna tidy it up, throw the things away that need to be thrown away, put them where they belong. Next thing is my bed. My bed is fairly large. It is 2 twin beds put together, and it takes up most of my room, so let's start tackling. Okay guys, that is all for my spring cleaning and organization video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down some videos you would like to see, subscribe and down below, and hit the notify button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!